Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. Today we're going to go over a video of a scooter hitting a Tesla. But before we do, if you are looking to make extra money out on the road when you're driving, because, well, let's face it, Uber and Lyft prices have not gone up. Sometimes promotions are actually going down. You might need to look at other avenues in order to make money. So this brings us to today's sponsor, Rapify. Special thanks to today's video sponsor, Rapify. Rapify is a platform that pays drivers for what they already do, drive. Rapify transforms your car into a source of extra income by matching you with a campaign, wrapping your car, and earning while you drive. Rapify is live nationwide with campaigns across several cities in the US. To get started, download Rapify app today using the link in the description below. So if you're looking to make some extra money out on the road, check the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. There were a couple of things with it, so we're gonna go over the video, show you exactly what had happened, and then let's go over a couple of safety tips when it comes to when you're driving at night and, well, hopefully to try to help avoid something like this happening. Now, one of the things is you always wanna be driving defensively, and this is something that, well, it shows why. So here you go and check it out. Wow, that's pretty crazy when it comes to it. And that is something where you just don't want that to happen if you're in the middle of the road driving and all of a sudden somebody comes on a scooter and just hits you because they're not paying attention and they're not looking at the light that's red and they don't see a car coming. Now, one of the crazy things about this is the girls that were on that scooter ran away. They just left. They didn't care. They didn't stay. So hopefully they are okay. But with that being said, those two girls and anybody else who's on a scooter, walking at night, bike, whatever it might be, you always want to pay attention to the road, what's coming, and be safe on the road. So look both ways before crossing any street. The golden rule that we learned at 3 is a golden rule that we should live our entire lives by. Just saying, because that will help prevent something like this. And let's get right back to that video and show the girls just hitting it and not even looking until it's already too late and they're literally getting hit by the car. I mean, look at that. That's just insane. Like, did even pay attention or anything. So drivers, this is something that you always got to pay attention to. Day, night, when the sun's setting, when the sun's rising, it doesn't matter. You always have to be aware of surroundings. And yeah, something like this, you may not even see them coming until it's too late, kind of like the video had shown. But this is something where you always want to pay attention to what's going on, not only in front of you, but on the sides as well. You really got to try to predict if people are going to look like they're going to walk out in the middle of the street, you know, a scooter or a bike or anything like that. If you're driving in a city, you could see this actually multiple times a day. When I'm out driving at night, you know, sometimes I'll see this happening when people are crossing the street going in the bar. They're standing in the street in front of the bar, or they're just trying to walk, ride a bike, whatever it might be, and they just pull out right in front of you, and it might be up to you to try to stop or whatever it is, but you always want to pay attention to what's going on around you, and most importantly, obviously in front and to the sides, trying to predict what people may do as you're coming up near them, whatever it is. So always pay attention to the road. Always be aware of people where they could just walk out, they could ride a scooter, a bike, and potentially run right into you. All right, so my question to you is, what other tips do you have to try to help to stop this or pay attention sooner? Try to be defensive when it comes to driving and kind of protective. What types of things do you recommend? Comment below and let us know. Now, we talked about safety on the outside of the car and paying attention to what's going on, but what about the inside of the car? What happens when there's actually passengers in the vehicle and you find yourself in a tough situation? Well, check out this video right here. It's going to help you there when it comes to dealing with passengers in tough situations, being safe when people are inside the car, and a couple of things there. Then also make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, smash that like button, and be safe out there.